Welcome back to Hard on Motors. Hey guys, we're out here right now at a friend's house. We're gonna take this for a ride. We got a few videos earlier of us driving it around and whatnot, so you'll see that too. You wanna take the lead? Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and get these cameras turned on, and we're gonna take it down a trail that's actually right in behind you. And hopefully get some good shots over there. See how it feels and everything on the trail, and then afterwards we'll do a top speed test for you. And I know for a fact this thing can go fast, so yeah, this thing will get up and go. It gets a little squirrely when you get up there, but it's good. It's fun, dude. I wasn't having too much trouble with it. I think like max speed, it does do a little bit like shake, but yeah, max speed, it starts getting a little bit of wobble to it, but that's just because it's just a little, it needs to be tightened up a little bit, but it's good enough to ride around on slow speeds. Even high speeds, it's still okay, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, we're about to get to it and have some fun. Good to go? Yep, you're good. All right, let's get to it. Good to go? Yep, you're good. All right, let's get to it. Oh. Woo. Woo. This is some dense stuff. Been a while since this stuff's been going through. We used to come out here all the time. Whoop. What else we got? Ooh, that's rough. That's some rough stuff. Oh. I mean, it does all right in this stuff, honestly. I shifted into the wrong gear again. Ooh. You think this is where it's actually driving through though? It's a little tall right now. Yeah, it is a little tall. I'm gonna head up and come back around and see if there's any other trails coming back from that way. This used to not be this tall. And it's been a while since I've been out here, but there used to be a bunch of trails going through here and they were fun to ride on. But we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find something. That little gully we went through, that was fun, that ditch. This thing made it up though. I didn't even put my feet down for it. Oh, camera's been through some stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna go see if I can find another spot. Path behind people's houses. Oh, rough. Oh, beating the crap out of me. All right, we're gonna go back through this and see what we got. See if we can get back up this, going the opposite direction this time. See what we can do. Whoop. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Got it.
Oh shit, dude.
What?
You fucking knocked the GoPro off. I'm gonna go find it.
Yeah. Probably in the rocks. That'd be my guess.
No, it's probably where you were hauling at. Looking down the thing.
There's nothing there.
You said it, you hurt yourself. There's nothing?
No, there's nothing there. I said it's bumpy. All right. All right, stop, trip. Let's see if we can go find this GoPro. You see anything? My guess is I lost it right up in here somewhere. I don't see it. Right up in here, maybe? Oh, let's follow my tire paths.
This area is really the only place I could have lost it, so. Nope, that's just a black piece of plastic. Oh, there it is. Found it, guys. Hey, you okay? I found you. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get a top speed test going and see how fast this thing can get.
There he goes.
All right, guys, I'm not going to show you the app because it shows us the address and everything, but we got this thing up to 36 miles an hour. And not bad.
To be honest, it feels like you're going a little bit faster than that, but I mean,
Yeah,
36 is actually really, really good for such a small motor.
that thing being as small as it is, 36 feels like you're going 80. Like
Yeah.
it's
fun.
that
it's
thing.
fun to play
It's
with.
fun, but it can be kind of sketchy sometimes. But yeah, that thing's great, man. I'm so glad we made it. That thing's so much fun.
We need to fix the seat and everything. It keeps coming undone and whatnot.
Yeah.
And there's some other stuff that needs to be done. But to be honest, this is badass as fuck.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty great. This thing's fun.
I think we're gonna call this the Cyclops, by the way, because of the one eye that's on it.
Yeah.
The one little headlight. I think that's a good name for it. So we might, I don't know, 3D print something on it to put it on it or something. I don't know. We'll
Yeah,
figure it
just
out.
a little emblem that says Cyclops. But yeah, this thing's great. I love it. This thing's super fun. I love the mini chopper, but this thing blows the mini chopper out the water. The mini chopper is just cool style. You know, this thing is just fun. I don't know why I keep saying fun, but it's fun. I don't think I can get that through to you anymore. It's fun. All right, guys. I'll see you later.